Hello, my name is Velma Robinson, and I'm an instructor for Education 1, Introduction to the Field of Education. I thought I'd introduce myself to you because on next week, your first assignment is an icebreaker. And in that icebreaker, we will all be introduced to each other and learn a bit about each other. I lived in the Bay Area pretty much all of my life. San Francisco, Richmond, Berkeley. I went to Berkeley High School, and from there to University of California at Berkeley, where I got my bachelor's degree, and then went on to San Francisco State University for my master's. So I even went to college right here in the Bay Area. I've taught on just about every level. Started out as a teaching assistant, and then while I was earning my degrees, I worked as a substitute teacher. I taught adult school for a while, and now working as a community college instructor. And I'm hoping that the textbooks that we use, our interactions where we exchange ideas and perspectives on the various facets of education, along with the knowledge that I've gained over the years in my experience, will all come together and help you to be a success in this course. So I'm looking forward to meeting you all during the icebreaker on next week.